If you're ready to elevate your kitchen game with reliable, high-quality cookware, this T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is crafted to handle everyday meals and special gatherings with ease. Designed with durability and performance in mind, this 14-piece set promises a stress-free cooking experience with features that make cooking not just a task, but a pleasure. Whether you're hosting friends, preparing family dinners, or experimenting with new recipes, this cookware set delivers consistent results, is easy to clean, and feels premium from every angle. Let's explore what makes this cookware set a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen setup. One of the standout features of the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is its rugged hard anodized aluminum construction. This material is known for its superior durability, resistance to corrosion, and protection against everyday wear and tear, which helps keep your cookware looking and functioning like new over the years. This construction not only improves longevity but ensures the pots and pans withstand the rigors of frequent cooking. Titanium reinforced non-stick coating. Effortless cooking and cleaning. The T-fal cookware set uses a titanium reinforced non-stick coating that allows food to glide off smoothly, making it nearly impossible for food to stick. Whether you're frying, simmering, or searing, the non-stick surface makes cooking smoother and clean up faster. You'll also be using less oil, making your meals healthier and reducing cleanup hassle. This coating is ideal for busy cooks who want delicious results without scrubbing pots and pans for hours. Precision cooking with Thermo-Spot Technology. Cooking is all about precision, and T-fal's Thermo-Spot Technology ensures you achieve it every time. Each pan in this set includes a built-in heat indicator, a ring that turns solid red when the pan reaches the optimal preheat temperature. This helps you start cooking at the right time to lock in flavors and enhance texture, taking the guesswork out of preheating. The T-fal 14-piece set includes fry pans, 8-inch, 10.5-inch, and an 11.5-inch fry pan with lid. Griddle, 10.25-inch square for perfect pancakes, grilled cheese, and more. Saucepans, 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart, each with a lid for soups, sauces, and small portions. Dutch oven, 5 quart with lid, ideal for stews, chili, and one-pot meals. Steamer insert, 3 quart with 2 side handles, perfect for vegetables and dumplings. With this comprehensive range of cookware, you're equipped to handle everything from simple breakfasts to complex meals, and even large family-style recipes. Oven and broiler safe, flexible cooking options. Each piece in this set can withstand oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with lids safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature makes it possible to start your dish on the stovetop and transfer it straight to the oven for finishing. Imagine browning your meat on the stove and then slow cooking it in the oven without needing to change pots, saving you time and creating richer flavors. Comfort and control with premium design. The T-fal cookware is designed for ease and comfort, featuring riveted silicone handles that remain cool to the touch and provide a comfortable, secure grip. The vented tempered glass lids are another great addition. They trap heat and moisture to improve cooking efficiency, while allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid. These thoughtful details make cooking safe, simple, and enjoyable. Suitable for various stovetops, excluding induction. These pots and pans are compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and halogen stovetops, giving you flexibility in the kitchen. However, they are not suitable for induction cooktops, so be mindful if you have an induction stove. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe for hassle-free maintenance. The T-fal cookware set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. For days when you're rushing or have used multiple pots and pans, just pop them in the dishwasher for quick cleaning. The non-stick surface also means you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Limited lifetime warranty. Confidence in every meal. With a limited lifetime warranty, T-fal backs the quality and durability of this cookware set, giving you peace of mind. This warranty assures you that you're investing in quality cookware that will continue to serve you well over the years. Why choose T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set? With its combination of durability, performance, and convenience, the T-fal cookware set provides excellent value. The Thermo-Spot Technology, oven-safe design, and versatile pieces mean you have everything you need to cook with confidence, even if you're a beginner. It's a versatile, long-lasting investment that's sure to elevate your kitchen experience. Final verdict, a wise investment for every kitchen. In summary, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is ideal for anyone looking for reliable, versatile cookware that enhances the cooking experience and saves time. From frying delicate eggs to cooking hearty stews, this set allows you to do it all without sticking or scratching. It's a complete kitchen solution that brings out the best in every dish and adds confidence to every cooking adventure. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.